Welcome. Highly greetings and about affluent congratulations to everyone. As you know that this channel is providing you according to your fair and fair. Here, as I got this demands, I have uploaded whichever this problem is available. As you are commenting, we are looking at this and trying to solve this problem, right? Here, according to the class, whichever is the class, we are facing the problems, and we are thinking that the same things I don't have to repeat here uploading. So many comments I'm getting, like some supercomputers, details, some spreadsheet details. So very soon I'm going to upload this type of video. Before that, there are so many video uploaded for you, like computer, currency, your language, religion, is all everything. So you can go and watch the channels. How you find? You have to go there into the channel. So you find RamanuJam, RamanuJam, santo. When you will search it, you will get it, and after that you will find there is a red button, subscribe option is coming. You can subscribe. And in the right side you will find there is a bell button. You can put it down so that whenever any types of video, any motivational and skill training, any tips and trainings, or any types of regular class like computers, welcome by special highly greetings, access, and about any types of business, affluent communications, any types of services, channels, like providing you according to your share and card, ITR, GSTS. As I got you were thinking for your life certificate demands, have any issues in your life, that is you have whichever this problem left your commenting, we are looking at and trying to solve this problem, right? There are so many here according to the class, whichever in the class you are facing the problems, and we are thinking that the same things you can subscribe, get uploaded. And so many comments I'm getting, like some supercomputers, so that I can let you know that spreadsheet details. So very sometime we able to upload this type of videos. Before that, there are so many video uploaded the same like computer, currency, language, computer, or here religion, is all everything. So you can go and watch the samples. How you'll find so this is my video. Request when you will search it, you will get it, and after that you will find there is a red button, subscribe, and on the right side you will find that there is a bell button for it. Put it down so that whenever this is video, this is like request for my tips and training, or any types of you can say this regular class like computers, trainings like special spreadsheets, excel, whichever, or any types of business analytical, business idea, cryptocurrency, any types of services, so that like life services, your PAN card, ITR, GSTS, you are thinking for your life certificate, you have any issues in your EPF, like that is you have left your job, or you are not able to find out your EPF account. There are so many works and so many help. This channel is only help and support free of cost. You can subscribe and don't forget to share and comment, so that I can let you know that that my subscriber or my affluent children are very interested, and the same way I will upload. So recently they are here, you will get something about the super computer, or here you are going to get it about this. You can see the spreadsheets and the details. So this is my that is a request to all, that please watch complete video. Rather than that, you are watching, I'm getting the people are watching but they are not subscribing, even they are not watching fully, you are only that is a little bit watching after this, so this way you will not get the complete knowledge. This is my humble request to all my subscribers, or my affluents, galaxies, all my children who are supporting. I can suggest or I can request to them that please watch complete video, share. Okay, so if you require, you can pause and comments also, so that very soon you will get this that types of video, right? Anything you want to change, anything you want to support, anything you want to promote your video, anything you want to upload something, anything you a new idea or something you want to show or share to someone, you're like a poem, like your novel, story, dance, arts, crafts, anything you want to promote, you can go. I will promote for you free of cost. And for more information, if anyone want to contact here for promotions of YouTube channel, they want to develop your web development, website, digital media management, social media management, Instagram, or any Twitter handling, something they want to do something, then just you can contact here RamanuJam.snt@gmail.com, and you can WhatsApp me on 7980284089, and in 24/7, yes, you can WhatsApp. Definitely I will not be on the call as I am very busy and I don't have a time, so even according to your comment and share, just I'm uploading video one by one, okay. So thank you very much. That's you are not going to quit this video. You will find here so much so many things about the details about the spreadsheets, about the Excel sheets, and there's all every detail. Just I will show one by one by scrolling this all everything I will show about there. You will get the voice also, and you will get the written also. Okay, so make sure, I believe that definitely you are getting a lots of the benefit, and you are going to get a lot of benefit later also. But only one condition is that the people you are not watching completely video, you are only tossing and after that leaving that and you are not commenting any other, not like. So let's first subscribe first, and comments, and wherever according to your comments you will get a very your reasonable, your interesting video. So let's see what happened in this video for the next. So don't quit the video, please be with me, right? So please be with me. Okay, so let's start. We are talking about over here that spreadsheet details, right? So before that also I told that how to can open. So just we are going to open this file, and after that we will find this how to we will find, right? So here the options we have, that's how to again open. So to open this file, first we have to follow this, right? This option is here, Microsoft's here, right? The same way we will open this one. After opening these things, we are getting here one file. What will be come out here? This will come out, this thing, right? This things here to be come out, where will be, so where we'll have a here all informations, like this is a worksheet. Here is we have a row data, we have this all every information available here, like in formula, live insertion, Microsoft Excel, so all every information is coming up here, right? So this is Microsoft Excel 2010 showing it. Workbook, I told you that workbook as a file in Excel is called workbook, and a worksheet is collections of rows and column, right? How it is showing, just I am showing you something here. Look here, like look here, like here. This, right? So that means I am showing here the area, the address of active cell. That means where is here? No, active cell here, rows showing here, worksheet showing here, and work column here showing. This all everything is clear here, right? Each row actually represents records, and each column represents a field. For example, students' data sheets on the row per students will be theirs and will store the data of each student, right? Which is shown here. Before that also I told you here, right? Look, this fields, this shows very clearly here. We are finding or not finding here? We are finding here, right? Alright, so we are finding here all everything we are getting here. So let's record students is staying here. One more question here, then how many columns and rows in our worksheet, right? So this is here available 16384 columns and 1048576 rows in a worksheet. By default, 3 sheets are there in a workbook. Additional sheets can be created by right-clicking the mouse on the status bar at the bottom. So look, some of the idea we are getting here, that from where we can check it out. We're finding here from the mouse options, file menu. If look here, this look. From the files we have here 3 options: save, save as, open, close, recent, news, print, save, send, help option, etc. And in this size we are getting whichever this workbook we have already uploaded before. No, whichever the workbook we have already done. Clear? Now we have options here, new, opens and all everything, right? Already I shown this. Later ones I will show you. Later one I will show you. Chalo. This already completed. Just I'm showing you the data here. Let's come on this data. This time showing you some details, that how to copy and paste, how to find and replace. Whenever you will do Control F, right, you will find here that is this options will come up. This options what I'm talking about here. This option will come up here, and we can get it, right? Next, autofill. Autofill in the sense like in the cell A here in the A1, A2, A3 here, and here we have a and B, right? So autofill in the sense means we are thinking that we want to fill up only once everywhere. Then what we have to write only right one. After that we have to drag. Whenever we drag, we will get that types of cursors will be options here. From here you have to drag, right? But if you're thinking that no, we have to continue for 1 to 3 and all other things, and what we have to do, we have to at least fill up to 1 and 2, right? When you fill up once again, here will be this drag options will come up, and select once you can what? You will find automatically if you are looking for this drag, you will get it. Linear type you will find here that it refers to a series which follows a linear trend, that is a value in the series jumps according to the state, right? Growth type also we have. Date and time type, we can also fill the date, time, autofill things that you are looking for this to make your date. Though any one that you can put after that, you can drag it. That autofill will be on the name. You're finding months already and date already getting changed, right? Next we have a data here, date type fill. Look, we are thinking that you are looking for the January, February, this all everything months, and then you have to fill up autofill. Then what you have to do is write to January, February, then you have to same way only row and column. You have to how to you can guide the computer that wherever linears will be, growth will be, row will be, column will be, and whatever will be. So, and how many columns will be, how many rows will be, how many. So here we have to, in this series we have to put the value. When we put the value, look, if we require here 15, then getting my point. So this way we have a here and we can fill up this all details, right? Now result of selecting column series, how to we can select column series, right? To column series we have a here row series selection, and look, we have customize list, how to we can customize the list. Now how you can find these options? You will get a file after the options, advanced, edit, and customize list. Files before that also show where you will get a file here. Before that, from the file we can find this list. From the files we can get options on advanced. Then we will select this advanced options. We will find these things, and here we can select. Here we have options, selecting options, right? Custom list in option. Custom list of options is already available. Enter the names list entries, boxes, clicks on add value. Now we are thinking for that is additions, or we are thinking for some mathematical works we are doing. The name the entries box and click on add value. This list will appear in custom list. Press OK. On the worksheet, write first two names in two cells. Select the cells and drag the fill handle. The select range of cells will fill with the names you enter the custom list. Right here it is showing. Inserts options. This is also very important for inserts options. How you can work on inserts options. This is very important, right? Inserts options, how we will work on inserts options, just I'm going to guide you. This already covered. Inserts options, what we have to do, look here, just I'm showing here. Insert pictures, insert clip art, insert data, insert all everything. Here we will do. So insert column, insert rows, insert all everything. Insert cells, how we will do this? First we have to open. We have to find from this. Look, insert option. On the home menu, we will find from the home menu. We'll find from the home menu on the cells sections we have options for row, column, sheets, insertion, deletions, or formatting. Just I'm going to show you and it'll look here to insert. When you click on, so you are getting insert cells, insert sheets, rows, column, insert sheets, right? Here delete, format, all everything options also here. So first we have to come here and after that we have to select it, right? This way we can insert. Now the process is that how we can insert pictures, how we can insert data, how to insert this all everything. Now how we can pull down the menu with the insert options, click and you will get. Look here, we'll find here from the right menu. If you'll click things in the cell file, you want to put this thing, then you have to click on insert options, and after the insert options you will get this type. So whenever you will insert options, you will get shift cell right, shift cell down, and entire row, that is column. This all everything will be observed is according to you where you want to shift it, in the down, up, left, right, whatever. When you will go OK, it will automatically will be inserted. So insert cells, click on shift cell right, a cell will be inserted to that. The existing cells of this row shift towards right. The cells can also be inserted in a column so that the existing cells move down from the positions of insertion. Is it clear? Now we can check it out here. Things we have data get subjects from A1 to B1 cells as an empty cells is insertion A1. Before that we are here, now we insert this here, so this is shifted here, right? And before settings, when we are right clicks, we have put the options. These options comes up, we are putting the right. Looking here, right? That means you have to select the right. Data gets shifted from B1 to B2. This already B1 to B2. Alright, B1 to B2. Insert rows. Now how we can insert rows here? Look here. If we are inserting the row, then we have to shift from second row to third row. Insert this is same, we insert column, this process are the same, only we have to put on practice system. New worksheet inserted. Things you are thinking for the new worksheet, well, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 2, sheet 3, all everything well, you have to click on this and the new worksheet automatically it will get it. Here there are 3 options available, right? So many times I discuss about this, right? So already we insert menu, inserts pictures, clip arts, shape, smart arts. To insert objects and all everything, once again we have to come here in this options, and from the objects what we have to do here, refers MS Word and MS PowerPoint. Already seen in MS Word and PowerPoint, pictures can also be inserted in Excel worksheet. Apart from pictures which can be imported from either clip art or any other file, we can also insert auto shapes, organizations, charts and word art. These topics have been dealt with the previous chapter, that means in Word and PowerPoint. If you have read, then you have known the same thing here also, but we can work on the same things in this Excel. Deleting cell, if you're thinking that something wrong or you don't want to need this thing, then how to delete. The same way, look here, you have to click on the cells with the right click and you will get here option delete. Otherwise shift cells up, shift cell down and all everything, and here you have option here, delete cell, delete shift row, delete shift, which one you want to click, up, down, right, left, all everything option will come up. Formatting cells. What is cells? There are numbers. Formatting cells, how we can change. There are numbers of ways the cells can be formatted. Home menu shows groups or numbers, alignments. These formatting options do not affect the actual value of data, they just affect the appearance of data on the worksheet. Selecting a cell and clicking the right mouse button gives an option on format. In the sense we are changing the data's place, not we are changing the data's there is whichever equal 2 will be not equal to 3. No, the same thing will be how we can format. So that is we have to once again the options, and in the options we will find here format cells, right? In the format cell, when we will do, then we will get this types of option. and here we have to choose on according to this, like we have to check, we have to remember number, currency, counting, there, time, percentage, fraction, society, there is a fraction, so scientific, whatever we are looking for the chance, we have to change this, right? So this way we will format, like if you're talking for like percentage, dollar, whichever currency, percentage, whichever we will arrange here, which all everything we can have. Call alignment. There are still in the calendar lines vertically and horizontally. We can align also this data, vertically, horizontally, and solve everything. Vertical lines, and here we will get now let's that how we can change the font things. Whether the fonts you are using, you are not like, or you are looking for this extra something for the better based on which you like, you can go on the numbers, you can the fonts, and you can see calibration, you can find and you can change your fonts. The font will be changed, I hope. Now here the how to you can change about the same way formal cells, you get number, alignments, border. So if you are thinking for the borders change, then you can change the border also. Fill tab is used to set whichever color. Now you can change the color also. This all everything, so row height, auto fit, height and a height, formatting, shade, all everything. It will be very easy when we will go on the practical lab. Just you can only go through this only for normals and for your kind information. Now we have a relative reference, absolute reference, and mixed reference. So just we are calls reference. A reference is identifies the sales or a range of cells on a worksheet and tells MS Excel where to look for value or data to be used in formula. Using reference, we can use data presents in different files of a worksheet or on a different worksheet or another workbook. There are three types of references here: relative reference, absolute reference, and mixed reference, right? That means from where we will find the value and range, so that we will give the information to the computer, and the computer can do our work very easily. So this reference to cells are relative to the positions of the formula. Let's understand this using an example. Supposing cell B3, where is cell B3? Cell B3, 1, 2, 3. Cell B3, we write formula equal to C3, formula right equal to C1 to 3, right? This means copy of the contents of cell which is on position 2 is right in cell B3. Now if you copy the contents of B3 and B6, you will be surprised to find out that contents of B3 will not be copied. Rather, the contents of E6 will be copied to D6. This is because E6 is in position towards right of D6. This is this function. Let's another example. C4. This is absolute reference. This mixed reference. Example: auto matter options and calculating subtotal and grand total. Here is showing here that how we can calculate data to calculate auto sum. Look, using auto function. It's very easy. That's whichever you want to. You can say the auto sum. You can select first yes. After that, you will go in the functions where is sigma returns, and you can collect that. After that, you will get automated your all calculation. We are looking like the data is shown here. Like these are the data, and so we are looking for the calculations of everything. We can get the average also. These functions, the names and average, min, that is minimum, maximum, count. So use this function. Sum is equal to this, average, maximum, minimum, product, count. This all everything we are doing in Excel very easily and automatically. So thank you very much for your questions. You can check it out. It was a very simple and short information. If you are looking for something more about this once more, then you can just go and comment so that I will make for you very right. So this way, this chapter I hope is finished, and later on once again, so we will come with this really right. Is it clear? So this way your chapters is getting complete. Right, thank you.